In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chatbot to Crisp Live Chat. By the end, you'll have a no-code chatbot up and running inside your Crisp inbox and on your website, ready to greet visitors and handle common questions. First, open your Crisp dashboard and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace and website if you manage more than one. Everything we'll need is available from the left sidebar. Next, install the chatbot plugin. Click the Plugins section. In some accounts, this may be labeled Automation. Use the search bar to find Bot or Chatbot, then select it and click Install. Confirm any prompts so the plugin has permission to automate conversations. If you're asked to choose a website, pick the site where you want the bot to appear. With the plugin installed, go to the Bot or Chatbot area in the sidebar. Click Create Scenario or Create New Chatbot to start a fresh flow. Give your scenario a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you plan to build multiple bots for different purposes, like lead capture or support. Now build your chat flow using the drag and drop editor, no coding required. Start with an event block, which defines what triggers the bot. Add a message block for the bot's automatic replies. Keep messages short, friendly, and clear. Use a condition block whenever you need simple logic like branching based on yes or no answers or known user data. Connect your blocks with arrows to shape the conversation. Think through the main path first, then add branches for common variations so visitors don't hit a dead end. Set the trigger that decides when the bot starts. You can launch it when a user sends a message, automatically on-page load, or via a manual trigger. For most support or sales use cases, choosing user message received is a solid default. Page load triggers work well for proactive greetings, while manual triggers are helpful for very specific campaigns. Before going live, click Test Scenario. Send a few sample messages, follow each branch, and confirm the replies feel natural. Adjust timing, wording, or conditions if anything seems off. Fix any paths that don't connect or loops that never end. When you're happy, click Deploy or Enable. Your bot is now live on your website. Open your site in a new tab or an incognito window to confirm the chatbot appears and responds as expected. That's it. Your Crisp chatbot is installed, configured, tested, and deployed.